Okay, so Jenny and I didn't get any video from the 9th when we were actually in Townsville, but this day we took a tour of Daintree Rainforest and hit a couple spots on the way. The first place we stopped was this nature center where they had breakfast with the birds, where they basically have these birds come over and sit on your shoulders while you're eating. It was kind of cool, although apparently you're not allowed to take videos, so we got yelled at immediately after taking this one. So at this nature center, they had all kinds of wallabies and kangaroos around, so we took a couple hours to sit and hang out with them and feed them. So the next stop is Cape Tribulation, which is basically just a beach, but they did have this cool heart-shaped thing where Jenny and I got a cute picture. So next we actually went up into the rainforest and did a tour, saw some sights, saw some cool plants, some cool bugs. Like this one is a peppermint stick bug. Also, we actually ate some ants while we were there, which is kind of weird, but pretty neat. And after that, we went on a river cruise looking for crocodiles. On our way there, Jenny spotted this really cool bird, an azure kingfisher. She's got a really good eye for spotting these things, and it was a really good photo. So we actually did end up seeing some crocodiles. This was probably the biggest one. It's about 20 feet long. I don't know if you can tell from the GoPro, but this thing was absolutely freaking huge.